Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a video on OG Fun Monkey Horror. I already played this game, and now we're going to be playing Meetup, and also not editing because woke up like a few minutes ago. If you do not want to go to new Meetup, just click on OG Meetup.
Yo,
so you go through back and
yo.
get killed because he
Black
thinks
door.
he's funny.
Sup?
Niggers.
Uh-oh.
Yo, he's coming! Yo, he's coming!
Fucking niggers.
Yeah! Oh my gosh,
My
bro!
niggas.
Imagine saying the
Bro.
N-word can never be me.
Oh my gosh. Double got me. Like, yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all can't even feel the pain through the screen. I hit myself. So,
Nigger!
bro,
Nigger!
we went in the same lobby.
Ooh,
Dang, that's crazy.
You hear this?
Damn.
he died.
By the way,
Yo,
I
Big
never
Yahoo, Big
swear.
Yahoo.
In the
Yo,
video, I never
Cyan.
What?
POV Sheldon's memory when George Cooper said, "Hot damn." God damn. Hot damn. George language.
I'm
Damn.
camping, bitch. Open the fucking door, bitch.
You heard
I'm
your
mimic.
language.
I'm dead.
If you scream again, you're going to bed.
Fuck
If you
you,
scream
bitch.
again, you're going to bed. If you scream again, you're dead.
Yo,
Wait,
he
guys, he's going to
scared
the other
me.
side.
Bro's
He's going to the
not
other
George
side.
Cooper.
Guys, go look over there. I'll look this way. He's going that way. He's going that way.
Fun off.
He came back. He came back.
Yo,
He came back.
hot damn.
Open front with more
That's
important.
late. Hot diggity dog. Hot ditty dogs. Hot ditty.
Yeah.
Oh, what a bong.
You like hot dogs?
Guys, I have a bong.
Oh.
He has a bong.
No,
Guys, I have a bong. Guys, I have a bong.
Surprise!
Yo, yo,
I'm putting on my pink bong for this. It better be He's not coming. No, what a bong. Alright, he's in my butthole. I hate you. I hate you.
Come the back door.
He wasn't chasing me.
Oh,
That
oh,
I think I just heard him.
oh, dang, he's not even chasing me.
Child porn.
What?
You watch that?
I'm calling the police on you.
Tom Pearl. Isn't that the guy who eats his own poop? Yep.
Guys, guess what?
Guys, if you
hold your hands
the bean can teleport,
so
I seen the video.
if we see him teleport, we're cooked.
Same, bro.
Wait, can I see your
get into
name?
that.
What?
Raccoon shuts
Oh.
down June
wait, what's his
1st,
name?
2026, guys.
Tom Pearl.
I'm running out of breath.
One more
Oh,
day.
yo. One more day.
Yo, yo.
We're good. Guys, we're good. Down tomorrow, by the way.
Yo,
I boss.
I was so
no,
close.
it won't.
I was so close to getting caught, guys. Bro. I
Yo,
was
who
so
knows Rec
close.
Room? Who knows Rec Room?
Me,
Me, I know record.
me,
And guess
me.
what?
I know
Rec
Rec
Room is-
Room.
Rec Room
It's
is not
shutting
getting
down
shut
tomorrow.
down. No, it isn't.
Rec Room
Someone
is
brought
gonna
it.
get
Wait,
shut
it's not shutting
down.
down?
I know it.
No,
It's not
because
shutting
someone
down.
brought it.
Rec Room
Someone brought
confirmed
it.
it.
Somebody brought Rec Room. It's shutting down.
Fuck yeah!
Seriously.
Wait, somebody
brought
bought
Rec
Rec Room? I'm pretty sure I might not even believe that, but though, if they did die.
I don't play
Seriously,
Rec
guys,
Room, but I knew
the
it.
beans,
I
go
knew it.
check. Go check. He's in back. He's in back.
You,
He's in back. I mean, he's in Guys, Rec Room.
Why was I running so fast? Why was I running so fast? I said, meet up. Okay, I know he's on. I want y'all to. I'm not even gonna get. I'm just gonna get like 3 views on a vid. So
bro, it's
what's the
turn off
point
your
of
light
even
so you can
asking?
shoot
across the
Turn off your
hallway.
light so you can see him.
It was
No.
an experiment to see how
It's
much
easier. It's easier. Turn it back
Sup,
on as soon as you
guys?
see him. It's more easier.
It was an experiment to see how much people care about the game.
Oh my god!
No!
Papi mañana. No, bro.
Oh my god! Holy crap! Holy. I'm gonna check some of my videos to check if I swear to once. Bro,
Who wants to eat my beans?
It's not. Lies, monkey.
The ultimate beans ball sack. Beans ball sack is so good. BBS.
what?
BBS.
Okay.
Bro, what in the world was happening? I was like, I probably might edit, but I might not. No, I'm not editing. So, I can't blur anything. That makes my content.
Bro, stop Shazam! Do the script again, dude.
He's not stuck.
White.
He's not stuck.
White, are you a
Shazam!
woman?
Why do you keep asking that, dude?
Are you a woman, bro? Are you a woman?
He wants women's,
Are you
that's
a woman?
why.
He wants pussy, bro. He wants
Wait,
pussy.
he wants what?
I love
Yes,
pussy.
dude.
Oh, are you a woman,
Okay,
bro?
fine. Yes, I am, dude.
Oh, never mind.
Now leave me alone.
Oh my god!
Where's the beaner?
No, come here right now.
Where's the beaner wiener?
No, don't run.
Dun, 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 dun,
Where's the
dun.
wiener beaner? Where's the
What do you guys
wiener
want? Why are you following me?
beaner? Oh no, oh no.
Yo!
Oh my god! Stop!
He's not here.
Why does my controller
Dumbasses.
keep disconnecting? Like, what's up?
Stop!
Bro, look at these simps looking for a girl, imagine.
For real,
Yeah,
like men are
no,
way better, bro.
No, he's right there. He's
Yeah,
right there.
bro,
He's right there.
Kill Alphonse, bro.
Oh my god.
No points matter, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's okay, baby. You better survive this fight. Get killed, bro.
Oh, guys, oh
Come in, bro. Come in.
Stop moaning, you weirdo.
You monkey.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Not again.
Stop coming in the ocean. I'm
don't even-
dead. I'm dead.
You're
You guys didn't hear anything. I'm not even going into new meetup because I checked it out. It's even though it's bigger, I hate it. No. There, that's my. I used to like have some cosmetics. What? What happened to my cosmetics? I had. Bro. Oh, hold up. Did they put it in my like area? Oh, this is where you equip your items now. Yeah, so you see somebody named Ryan YT. But if it is on, and with this on, Cone and
Why did you
and
sound like
the
those
color
bars for a second?
cyan.
These are my mods.
Yes,
bro.
this is me.
Why is everything horizontal? Why is everything horizontal?
No idea.
Maybe
Boy
because
got
you're using
roasted.
I'm
banana car,
gone.
banana car's glitch.
Bro, I don't
Oh.
shut up. I grew up.
Yes, so you guys can know the basic. Cannot release the other OG Fun Monkey Horror one because I took a break and I think that video was copyrighted. So I'm not gonna upload it.
Server.
Or I
That's
can
not a
put
server.
it
Why
till
did you
it's
seven
small.
challenge where I meet
Yeah, that is a server. I think there's 7 people.
How? That's like 3 people
Beanie.
lost, bro.
Bean.
That's not 3 people lost.
Where are
Bean,
you?
You are.
$20.
And
Okay.
The reason you have meetup server is
Wait,
because
I'm
we have
back.
7, so
I
muted
everybody
only
other
killed
than
3
Yellow.
people.
Yellow, I'm the only person I can hear. You're the only person I can hear.
Is seriously chasing? How is it? Do you have like a VPN on your
No,
VR?
it's yellow.
Yeah.
We're done. Oh my god, he's back!
Yo. Yo, he's actually.
Yo, why don't you come down with me?
Black, keep running, keep running.
Come to front. Come to front.
Can you hear me?
Yo, he's coming.
Oh my god, it killed everybody. It just killed
Ow.
You didn't kill everybody. You
Ow.
killed a lot of people. Oh! You killed half the server.
I guess. What
It front by front. It took a left.
Ow.
Oh, it's going to back.
Holy
I
bro.
muted everybody other than
What's
the
the
top
back?
person next to me.
Oh, it's going to back. It went to back. Oh, it's going to back. Good.
What is jukebox?
No more
What is
spoilers
jukebox
on
called?
some other stuff.
Jukebox is in the new meetup map. You're not in the new
Don't mind
meetup map.
about that. Yeah.
What the? You
If someone should go up Bean Avenue.
You lose it.
You're not in
All right,
happening, bro.
I
I swear.
need
I can walk
to
around.
Dude,
here.
Yellow, you're the only person I can hear, but I have the whole server
I'm real
muted.
Are you
tired.
sure, Yellow? Are you sure?
So,
What about me?
Sure.
See
It's
y'all
kind of scary.
short.
Because you're just
Yeah,
gonna
I
see
guess.
people running.
Wait, why do the names of the